lard and baking powder and also food coloring. You will also need a little more flour because when it gets sticky, flour will help. You will need the Kitchenaid stand mixer to mix all the things together. So first you want to take your warm milk, put it in the stand mixer. And if it's too hard, always ask for an adult to help you. Now you want to add your sugar and some yeast. And you want to let it like that for 5 minutes. So then my sister has the whisk to mix it. Before you do put in the other ingredients, you want to leave it for 5 minutes, like I told you. So the yeast and the other ingredients could activate. So we'll be back. Hey guys, we're back. It's been 5 minutes. You have to add the other meat. But make sure you don't add the food coloring yet and the little portion of flour because you need the other part of the flour because the dough may be sticky for later too. So now you just want to add the bigger portion of flour, the lard, and the baking powder. So, and you don't have to do this in order. I'm going to put in the baking powder first. Make sure you put all of it. Then after, I'm going to do the lard. And it might stick, so I'm going to just use a spoon. Now you want to add the flour. Okay, now we're done that, we have to attach the dough hook. The dough hook is from the stand mixer. Yeah, Kitchenaid stand mixer. And then you want to pull it up. And to pull it up, you just pull this like. Also, you need to turn it up to 2. Now you want to turn it off like we did after it looks like it's good almost. And then you want to take the spatula and scrape like flour or if anything's sticking to the sides. And I kept the little portion because we still don't need that yet. Okay. I think that's good. Now you want to turn your mixer back on. Now Victoria turned it off because we are ready to add the rest of the flour. And you want to turn it off before you do this. So you just add it. Dough. So take this down. Okay, let me help. Boom. Then take the dough out. Take it. It's my favorite part. It just feels like slime. So you want to take out your hook so you could get all the dough off of it. Yeah. You have to let it rise for like 1 hour. Yes. And it's sticky, but it feels really good. And it's so creamy. I don't know, so fluffy. It's better than butter slime. And now we're going to transfer this into the bowl. And if you have small hands, you might use another helper. As a heart. Okay, you grab that side, I grab this side. Whoa! Put it in the bowl. Get some saran wrap and just put it around the bowl. Okay. So we divided all of them for the group colors, and now we're going to add them. We have the primary colors, but the green we won't be using. So Victoria's using yellow because, of course, the chicken duck family is always yellow. To make purple, you just need to add blue and some red. I feel like I added a little too much, but that is alright. We shall see. We shall see. My hands are getting already messy, and I even haven't started. And food coloring might stain your hands, but it's part of the fun. So Victoria's adding her colors, and her last color is blue. So we're back, and we dyed all the colors. We have purple, pink, blue, white, yellow, of course, and orange. We didn't have an edible marker, but we recommend that. That'd be much easier. So we'll just have to cut seaweed. Yeah, I don't want to do this because they're so small and it's so hard. But we'll just have to go with it. So first, we're doing the duck, so you want to do its round body. So I'm making flowers. So first you just roll something, then roll the dough, and then after make petals. Rose, now you just have to add the rose petals. So, we have made it. It looks adorable, guys. So, like I said, I did the mom. She has the flowers, like the bouquet, and we have its little feet. We have her beak, of course. We have lashes, eyes. Oh, we forgot to do the highlight, but that's alright. We have the flower crown. It doesn't have much detail because it was really hard to do. And it's on a flat side, so it won't be standing up because like the weight will be really heavy. The colors are orange, yellow, and for the eyes, like we said, we use seaweed. Has lashes on those. Moving on to Victoria's. Victoria, tell them what you have. I have a little. It has seaweed eyes. Yeah, it has a small beak. Also, a fussy hat shell. Yeah. The one from the squishy makeover, but it just doesn't have the eyelashes. And the little feet. It actually looks like the wheel one from the squishy makeover, but it just doesn't have the eyelashes because that'd be hard. So guys, when you steam it, and if you like did the same method for the eyes, I think it's better to like take the eyes off or else it'd be soggy. And we're gonna go steam it for 15 minutes and we'll be back. Let's go. This is our creation, guys. And I love it. It actually smells like the store ones. And it looks like it, but in a duck form. It looks so fluffy and it feels so fluffy. It looks really good. I really just want to eat it. Shreddy had a few nipples. And I'm going to rip off the... I'm going to rip off that. And that's actually good. Now we're going to see how fluffy it is. Whoa! And I can't do that, so big. But I'm going to eat sandwich. Oh, that's hot. And look guys, it's so fluffy. And guys, when you steam it, make sure your parents do it because it's really hot and you don't want to burn yourself. It's so fluffy. It's so good. I just want to whip off its wing. Whoa, that is cool. Oh my god, oh that's hot, but I ripped it. Whip it off, whip it off. Oh, I like this one too. It takes more time to like cut the eyes, and it's faster to use edible markers, but I think I like the CB way better. It's more delicious. It's so good, but it's the end of the video, so bye guys, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.